Okay, so this is the leadership book you didn't know you needed, but you absolutely do. Quit by Annie Duke, who also wrote Thinking in Bets, famous poker player, academic, super interesting perspective. But when people see this book and this title, they think it's about quitting jobs or quitting a vice like smoking, but it's actually much more than that. So there's so much stigma around this concept of quitting or stopping or ending things. But what Annie Duke is saying in this book is that actually learning how to quit things strategically is a really, really critical leadership trait. So one of the biggest factors changing in the post-2020 workplace is the amount of adaptation we're constantly having to do, shifting strategies, shifting gears, stopping one initiative, trying another. So the strategies and the practices that Annie Duke talks about in this book are really, really critical for any leader who wants to foster that adaptability and that ability to innovate. I have this book marked up all over the place. I go back to it all the time. So if you want to be a better leader in a post-2020 workplace, this is such a good book.